One.
Okay.
2, 3.
Today I have Blanca here, my mother-in-law, and she's going to show us how to make her famous, seriously world famous, cilantro jalapeno rice. Next word. I know! Hi, my name is Katie. I'm the owner and founder of Kokomo Foods here in Vancouver. And today I'm so excited because I have my mother-in-law.
Yes.
And she is from Mexico. Her name is Blanca.
Hi everyone. Hi Katie. Thank you so much for having me here. I'm so glad for this invitation. It's my pleasure to be here.
Blanca is this gem that has come into our life in the last 5 years. We are so lucky. We have this whole Mexican extension to our family now, and not only has it taught us so much about their culture, but she's also taught us so many of her favorite, most world famous recipes. So I'm so excited to get into this recipe with you.
Okay,
let's start cooking
together. Yes.
So we're gonna use a blender.
Yes,
first?
we are going to use the blender.
Okay.
We are going to use 2 cups of water.
Okay. And now should we add the broth, the bouillon, in with this? Just add. So basically, you just want 2 cups of broth or water, but we might as well add a little bit of flavor with the broth.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Well, let's put the cilantro.
Okay.
We are going to use, I think, the half of this bunch of
half of it. Okay.
The half of the bunch.
Okay, so you just take off the stem.
Okay. I'm going to put the
So just throw it all
cilantro.
in. Okay.
We are going to put the jalapeno.
1 whole jalapeno.
1 jalapeno.
Okay.
And that's it.
Really? Okay, perfect. So BRB, it's going to be super loud and you're not going to be able to hear us for 5 seconds. So you want it a very...
No, a long time.
Okay.
Just in order to keep little pieces.
Okay, so we're just going to put this aside, right?
We are keep this here, and we are going to...
It's in my cells, it's in my
Yes,
cells.
because of the jalapeno.
So now we're going to add olive oil.
Olive oil.
So just a few tablespoons.
More or less, I think 2. Okay. We are going to put the 3 cloves of garlic.
This is my favorite smell in the world. I can't
yes,
wait.
I love it. I think garlic is the most spectacular ingredient in the world.
Blanca said it. Garlic is the most spectacular ingredient in the world.
I love it.
You know it's true.
Garlic is healthy.
Yes.
Has an incredible flavor.
So tell me about, because you know so much about health. You do Reiki, you're a yoga instructor. I feel like you eat so healthy. Have you always been like that?
More or less, yes.
Yeah.
More, yes. I think all my lifetime, I try to eat healthy and do exercise.
Okay.
Try to be in balance.
Okay, I like it. And meditation.
Meditation, for me, meditation is very important to do every day.
So garlic and meditation is the key to health.
Yes.
Okay, you heard it here.
Now we are going to put the onion.
Okay.
What's a half?
I'm just going to show the camera.
Of onion.
So that's half of an onion chopped pretty fine. So here, I'll add that in.
Here. Until the onion becomes a little bit yellow.
So is this something that you've been cooking for your family for a long time?
Oh yes, of course. Rice is a base of Mexican food.
Okay.
Rice. Most of the Mexican eats rice almost every day.
Really?
Yes.
So we're using jasmine rice today?
Jasmine rice. We are going to use red jasmine rice.
Okay. So basically, we've waited for the onions to get a little bit yellow.
I think.
And then we're gonna.
Is the time?
I don't know. You tell me.
Yeah. Okay. Let's put the.
Okay. So I'm just gonna sprinkle it all on.
1.
So 2 cups.
2 cups. Okay. And.
So why do you do it this way? Why do you kind of fry up the rice before adding water?
Because it's mainly because in order to get the rice separately, because sometimes it's screw.
Oh yeah, stuck together? Okay.
It's the easy way
Okay.
to avoid this
And is all Mexican
situation.
rice cooked like this? Because
So-
like here we add it all at the same time.
No. It's,
Okay.
no. It's very
Don't do
important to fry the rice.
Okay, always.
Always.
Okay,
Always.
good to know.
Always. Yes.
Okay,
Okay. We are
good.
going to add it.
Okay.
And now let's add the other.
Yeah, the water.
Yeah, the
Or we'll
water.
add a bit of broth to it
For-
too.
Remember, for every cup of rice is 2 cups of water
Broth.
or vegetable broth. Now the salt.
Oh, salt, most important.
The most important thing. I think is gonna be a 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
So,
This looks so beautiful.
yes.
Okay, so do we want a lid? Yeah, put a
Yes,
lid
I
on.
need
Okay.
a lid.
Be right back, grabbing a lid.
Where we are going to put the lid, and we are going to wait until the water starts boiling.
Okay.
When it's boiling, we are going to lower the heat in low heat.
So
Let's wait.
we'll go hang out. See you guys soon. Okay, we're ready.
Okay, well, we are going to check. It's ready. You have to put the spoon here,
Okay.
and there is no more water.
Yeah. This looks
it's
so good.
ready.
It smells
But
amazing.
I'm going to give you a tip.
Okay.
Where if for some reason you find the rice stick in the bottle, you can put a little amount of water
Okay.
and close.
Oh, like a
Close
little.
it.
So you kind of take out like a little,
Yes.
little. I don't know. What would you call it?
Because
like a rabbit hole.
sometimes it's sticky in the bottle.
Okay.
You can put.
But you
a
don't
little.
stir it. You just
No,
make a
no,
little
no,
hole,
no, no.
put a
Just
little bit
put,
of water,
I put
close
the
it.
lid and stay there.
Wow, this looks so good.
Okay.
Don't burn yourself.
Perfect.
Really? Go
Perfect.
you. Thank you
Okay.
so much, Blanca.
No,
This is
thank
incredible.
you
I
for
can't
having
wait.
me. Was my pleasure being here.
Aw.
Thank you.
Awesome. Okay, it's lunchtime.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.